Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Finally, I have a new tutorial ready. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieved this makeup look, just keep on watching. My skin is already prepped, so I'm starting off with my brows. I'm using my Anko dark brown pencil to fill in my eyebrows. I'm just following the natural shape of my brows and going a little bit higher in the arch area so we can have that nice lifted look in the eyebrows. Now once that's done, it's very important to go in with a fluffy blending brush just to blend out those harsh lines so everything looks smooth. Harsh lines are a definite no when doing makeup. You want everything to look smooth and blended so it can look presentable, right? I'm taking a corresponding color in a powder just to set that foundation on the lids before we go in with eyeshadow. Now I'm taking this orange shade from my Morphe 350 eyeshadow palette with a fluffy blending brush, and I'm going straight in the crease. I'm not too careful on being any specific area. As long as it's in the crease, that's good, because I'll be adding colors very close in color to blend on the outer V afterwards. Now I'm using a black eyeliner pencil. I'm doing a very simple wing liner on the top lash line and lining my waterline as well. Now I'm taking a black eyeshadow on a flat smudge brush can I speak, and I'm just setting that eyeliner everywhere where basically where I drew that eyeliner. I'm going in now with a dark brown on the outer V area of my eyelid, just blending that on the outer corner and bringing it up a little bit above the crease, because I want this eyeshadow look to be pretty high. And this bronze shimmery eyeshadow now is going on the front and center of the lid. So remember, no harsh lines, so I'm using the same fluffy brush now just to blend the edges between each color that I place on the lid, and following up with applying some strip lashes. So that's all we're doing for the eyes today. I'm now gonna go in with my foundation, Maybelline Fit Me in shade 356, and I'm blending with a flat top kabuki brush as per usual. I'm not wearing any primer today because the girl not gonna wear the girl at home. Using the same mix of foundations that I use for the brows to do my highlight. I just love how foundation looks on the skin instead of concealer. Not that I don't like concealers, I do, but I really love how foundation sits on the skin and looks more skin-like, more than majority of the concealers that are on the market. Or maybe I just need to get a really nicer concealer. As you can see, I'm adding the concealer in all my highlight areas, and I use the Black Opal Stick Foundation in Suede Mocha to do the contour. Here I'm just blending out the concealer underneath my eyes and my chin, everywhere that we added the highlight color. Now this extra step isn't totally necessary, but if you want that extra highlight to add more brightness to the center of the face, it is so beautiful. Here I'm going in with my setting powder, and I'm mixing these two shades to use and set all the highlighted areas. So once you have a powder that corresponds with the color of your highlight, that would be perfect to use and set all the highlighted areas. I'm now taking some additional powder to use and bake along the sides of my nose so that can provide some reverse contouring, and I'm going in with this darker brown color to set all the contoured areas, so that's on the cheekbone and the perimeter of my face. And I'm using this Sasha powder to add right over the entire face so that the contour and the highlight can be blended and merged together. Now I'm taking this deep brown shade and using it as a blush and kind of as a bronzer, and this peach shimmer pigment in the tear duct area of my eyes as an eye highlight. This is the Anchor pencil I'm using to line my lips. Right after, I'm using this terracotta liquid lipstick. It does dry matte. Over top, I'll be using the Ione Nude Lip Gloss, and I'm using my finger to apply these products because they're from my kit and I don't want to have any cross-contamination. So that's the nude lip combo. I'm just going over with some additional lip product so it can show up more. Trying to fix my hair to see what looks cute. Fix it and set it, turn it and catch it and fix it. And that's it for this tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any requests, you can leave those in the comment section, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.